You are a weapon. Stay sharp and seek balance. Hey everyone, this is Ishita Bhadoria here, telling you about Atmanirbhar Bharat. First of all, what is Atmanirbhar? According to me, Atmanirbhar means happiness. Happiness that makes one feel proud that he or she is known by their own personalities or the work they do. In a short, we can say they are self dependent. Self dependence is the most important thing we all must have to achieve something. I heard my mother often saying that if you are self dependent, then no one can put you down because you are not dependent on anyone for anything. But unfortunately, we all are dependent on anything or anyone for our work. For example, students on tuition teachers, businessmen on their managers, and homemakers on their maid. Sounds little bit funny, but this is the most bitter truth. No one wants to listen. Now, moving forward towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat is a movement or a campaign starting by our Prime Minister in COVID-19 pandemic to provide support to the small scale industries and also the unemployed people all over our country. This simply means that he wants to make our country self-reliant. But this does not mean that he is saying to stay away from world or being self-containment. The five major pillars of this Atmanirbhar Bharat movement are economy, infrastructure, demography, demand, and most important, technology system. The basic motto of this Atmanirbhar Bharat movement is to provide or to promote economic development of the country. Many initiatives are also taken for the development of the country and also to promote this scheme. For example, promotion of PPE sector, Made in India, that is 5G network, and also DPEPP, which means Defense Production Export uh, Promoting Policy. So he is making our country self-reliant and self-sufficient so that we do not have to depend on anyone for anything. At last, I only want to say that this scheme totally depends upon the slogan local for vocal, because this is very important to support local people all around to learn their livelihood as they are facing many problems in this COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you to our Prime Minister for launching this encouraging and empowering schemes. Thank you for listening me, and I hope my content was quite informative. Thank you.